What's good, YouTube? This your boy Mr. 72 Hard Top, back at you with another video. I'm up here at the shop, doing a little bit of work. I think I done what I wanted to do for the day on the 73. It's coming along. It's coming along, man. It's coming along. But yeah, I'm gonna flip this camera around, let y'all see what your boy been doing. Yeah, I got my work uniform, just got off work. Get off work, kind of work on the 73, but I'm gonna flip this camera around and let y'all see what your boy been doing and what give y'all an update on it. It's coming along. Let me flip the camera around. Okay. If y'all ever seen my previous video when these floors was all ate up, I did them myself. They not perfect, but they good enough for me. This stuff you ain't gonna see long as the holes gone and the rust gone. I don't painted it. Right now it's dry. I didn't paint all up there. I don't think I needed to spray all that, but I covered this part, let me y'all let me know what y'all think. That's the ceiling. We gotta finish tearing that down. And yeah, this where it was mostly messed up at. All that was ate out. I cut and welded, patched it up real good, the best I can. First time ever welding on a car. That too. No, it ain't perfect. And no, you're not gonna see it when the carpet and when the Dynamat carpet and all the installation and stuff go down. So that's why I don't care for it to be perfect. But it's good enough for me. It ain't no more rust holes in it. Ain't no holes in it in the floor no more. Still ain't messed with the body of it yet with the seat belt. I ain't done with the body. I remember when I done this, I ain't mess with that no more. Got all kind of stuff behind it. The door is off. Been working on the door. Got it stripped down. I ain't done with it. Got the front of it took off. I ain't even play with that yet. I just got this fender. It's beat all up, but I'm gonna get it right. I've been working on it. Did a little bit of welding on it. I got a video of me welding on it. Had to replace all that right there, but I ain't done, patching it up and getting it right. I took my AC box out, so I'm going vintage. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I still got to come to this side and fix that. That's what the other side looked like. I just ain't get a chance to get over here and fix it yet. I'm the shop dogs. I'm gonna go inside. I got these parts put up. Let me show y'all something else. This is the inner fender wells. See, they all ate up. Trying to find me some more. These were the fenders that came off of it. Man, they ate all up. I don't know though. They ate all up. See that split? That's too much fabrication for me. All that cutting and bending in. So I just went and got two other fenders that I had. My other fender wells, my bumper. I gotta get this little piece. This all beat up. Yeah, this is just spare parts. Like I got an extra radiator support right there. I'm gonna use that to when I put the fenders back on. I put the fenders back on and start my blocking and all that. I'm gonna show y'all some of the pieces I done done. I got this fender was beat up just like the one I just showed you. I straightened it out. Did the body work myself. I'm not done with it. Still got more body work to do to it. That's the nose of it. I just got it in primer, so when I put it back on the car and start doing my full body work, you know, that's all I'm doing right now. I'm taking like the doors off, putting them in primer, then I'm putting the car back together, start sanding and blocking and find my highs and lows and stuff like that. Like I gotta do the trunk, still gotta do the hood. Yeah, but it's coming along, man. It's coming along, it's coming along. All I got now to do really is this door, put that in, put some more primer on that. That door I need to gut it out like I did this one. Take the window and stuff out and start body working it. That fender, I need to fix that. The hood right here and the trunk, get that in primer. Then I'm gonna put everything back together and start working on, you know, stuff like this. Get that all the way A1 together. But yeah, this video ain't gonna be that long. I was just giving y'all an update on what your boy got going on. I still gotta take my back bump off. I ain't get around to that yet. You know, yeah, see, I was gonna buy a whole nother quarter panel. I said, nah, that's pretty decent to me. Just do a little bit more body work, sanding and all that on it, and get it to where I need it to be. But if you like what you new to the channel and you like what you see, you want to see more content, comment, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and let me know if you want to see more content. You want more updates on this build right here. And I am doing all this work by myself, no help. No help.